Okay.
Hey, Carla, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing okay. What you doing?
I'm cleaning my house and I have a lot of trash here. And I wanted to ask you, I need help.
I really want to recycle a few things, so can you help me?
Yeah, absolutely. That's great that you're asking because, yeah, not everything needs to go in the trash. Some things can definitely be recycled or we can put them in other places. Okay, so what kind of stuff are you trying to discard?
Thank you. So I have a light bulb that doesn't work anymore.
Okay, so the cardboard box, that can go right in your curbside recycling bin.
Okay, thank you.
And
what about the table?
the light bulb, that's a really good question. And I'm going to show you a tool. Have you heard of the Waste Wizard?
No, I haven't.
Let me show you. It's on our website. I'm going to put the phone down so I can do this. And so you want to go to the Fairfax County Trash and Recycling site. You can just put those words in your browser. And then you're going to look on the left-hand side. There's a tab called Recycle or Trash. What goes where? We're going to type in the word light bulbs and see where they go. So light bulb not CFL, search for that. And it looks like it's a hazardous household waste, and that should never ever go into the trash. It really needs to be dropped off at 66, do you know where that is, the transfer station? Or I-95, the landfill complex. Okay, what else you have?
I have a aluminum foil.
Okay,
Well,
so once again, we can look for that in the search bar. Aluminum foil, and there it is. And aluminum foil, it says you can recycle it at your curbside recycling container.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. So is that all? I actually have to go because I am trying to come up with a script for our next Talk Trash episode. So I'm going to go and hopefully you can use the Waste Wizard. Let me know if you have any more questions.
I will. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. For more information, please scan the code on the screen.